And Mr. Mayor, I do have a speaker to speak to two items on the consent calendar. Would you like that speaker now?
Yes.
Ms. Miller?
The Temecula developer Garrett sold tentative tract 31667 to Richmond Homes, who sold it to Beezer Homes, and lawsuits are stopping the paving over of the nature at this time. We hope they continue ensuing the progress of demising the nature of this area. The city should never have moved the Brown House and needs to put the Brown House back on the McVicker and Grand sacred open space. The Marietta Creek, which runs south, is filling up with construction silt erosion, violating the laws of the water in the NPDE storm drain and the point source of coming off properties and hillsides all around the area. And it would seem that as far as Elsinore or Temecula coming in from the south, it's sad to watch the awards to soccer teams knowing these children's future is marginalized because of too much construction, especially when first responders will be unable to quickly answer an emergency call as you put in more and more traffic. The same will occur in the streets at Palomar and Grand, which brings us to 1.7, the second reading of McVicker Residential Project, which has the channels for rainwater collection and could not possibly stand any more runoff. Will not suffice for decreased flooding in major rainstorms. In the last storm, a man died in the Marietta Creek. A family was rescued. Another man and his dog had to be pulled out. Did you all see this? Water all goes down to McVicker. Did you see this? Why don't you look up? You developer. You don't care about anybody but your lying pocket and your buddies and parties in Temecula. Mr. Markham, in the last storm, a man died. Have we no respect for that? These properties need to be sued, and they are, and not progressed into the permission process. These properties contain multiple endangered animals feeding on plants. The sandy soil in this area attracts the coast-torn lizard, eating the ants, the Stephen kangaroo rat, which runs through the open spaces. Don't break this riparian habitat. Don't allow the CEQA laws to be downsized, because the EPA has a law going through Washington that will try to stop it. But not California. We're going to go to Canada with Washington and Oregon. We're going into Canada, and we're asking you not to pay your taxes this year.
With that, I'll move the consent calendar.
Second.